Hazrat Urwa reports that he said to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, "What is your opinion about the statement of Allah the Exalted? No doubt Safa and Marwa are among the symbols of Allah. Then whoso makes pilgrimage to this house or performs Umrah, there is no sin for him that he may go around both." Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 158. So by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, there is no sin if someone may not move between Safa and Marwa. She said, "O nephew, you have said wrong. If the matter had been so as you had interpreted, then the command would have been, there is no sin on anyone who does not move between both. But this command was sent down concerning the Ansar, who before embracing Islam would put on ihram beside the idol Manat, which they used to worship near Mushallal. So whosoever put on ihram would consider it bad to march between Safa and Marwa. When they embraced Islam, they asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about it, saying, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we consider it ill to march between Safa and Marwa." So Allah, the Exalted, issued orders. No doubt, Safa and Marwa are the symbols of Allah. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has declared it his practice to move between these two. So no one has the right to leave the march between these two. Then I told Abdul Rahman, he said, "This is a scientific issue. I have not heard anything about it." I have heard many a literati saying, contrary to what Hazrat Aisha has said, that those who would put on the ihram beside Manat, they would march between Safa and Marwa. When Allah the Exalted mentioned the circuit of Allah's house and did not mention anything about Safa and Marwa, the people said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we used to march between Safa and Marwa." When Allah Jalla Jalaluhu sent the commandment related to the circuit of Allah's house and did not mention Safa and Marwa. So whether there is a sin on us if we march between Safa and Marwa? So Allah the Exalted sent down the revelation. No doubt Safa and Marwa are of the symbols of Allah. Abu Bakr said, "I think this verse was sent down about those two groups, one that considers it bad to march between Safa and Marwa in ignorance age, and one that even after embracing Islam considers it wrong to march between them, for Allah, the Exalted, has passed orders for the circuit of the house, but did not mention Safa till after the circuit of the house. It was also mentioned." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1643.